Okay, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
That you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down.
What's up, guys? It is Sunday morning, and today is the day. It is NASCAR day. Today's the day we get to go see NASCAR, so it'll be a fun time. And right after the race, we're headed back to the airport, and we're heading home. So it's going to be a quick trip. Be kind of interesting. Hopefully, once we're on our way to the racetrack, we're actually gonna shaving cream someone's car. So it should be interesting. So, yeah, let's get to it, guys.
Yeah, I guess it's happening real quick, guys.
Right.
Yep. Get it, it's right there, so shake her up.
Yep.
Good
Take
ball,
it, take
kid.
it, take it.
Get ready! I gotta unlock the doors, too.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Yeah, so you gotta put it in park. Well, no, I can just hit the button.
Oh, can you?
Press button. Press button. Oh, are they in a... No, they're not good. Yes.
No.
Oh, fuck, they're right there.
Where?
I guess we're gonna hit them. Are we?
Really?
Right now?
Go, go, go.
Yes. Okay, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Fuck, you were so right. They just stood there stunned. The windows were down.
As soon as Alan sees me running at him, he's like, "No, get the windows down."
We should just get him again. Yeah, right now would be good. He's just kind of like, what the fuck? Were you guys getting out of the car? What are they? Got almost the whole windshield.
That was the plan, man.
Yeah, but almost the whole windshield. I get around the corner, so I can move. Like, what the fuck? I got almost the whole thing. Oh, shit.
That was great, and then he turns on the wipers, and it just fucking spreads. I'm used.
And I guess it'd be 4 guys in a van. Not 3. Oh shit, that shit's going everywhere. I like how he knows it's Jamie and not.
He's like, I am not getting stuck behind Jamie again. Fuck that.
Boxed in. Little does he know there's 2 fucking lanes. Like, fuck.
And Jamie's got turbos.
That was good, fucking, they're right on the side. The back one's going. Poor fucking dude, man. It ain't happening. See, now if you got any left, we should hit him again. Because now he thinks we're out. We can hit him again. Yeah, we can. Fuck, that shit has a lot in it.
Yeah.
Fucking go give her.
Fuck, there's a green light. Needed one can each.
Oh, I could just point a can right at him. Just poof.
That was tough.
Grenade! Fuck, he's just racing to get there, man.
Yeah.
He's scared. I like the smell of fear.
Fuck, now it just smells like shaving cream in here. Look at his face. What the fuck?
And then peeling away after each red light. Jamie would have been in his boy, eh? Get the guy with no teeth. Actually, got to keep it authentic. CB radios.
This is Chase Elliott's.
Oh, they already got the cars already almost to go.
Well, race is at 12:30.
Well, this is NASCAR, bud. Want to go for a rip?
Fuck
Let's
yeah.
off the freaking cement barrier and just go for a
Truex.
little rip.
Yeah,
Make our
Truex.
own Fortune 500.
I'm sure
Probably the
I.
last trip we ever make.
I'm sure I'd get you beat.
You live right now? Yeah, yeah. That'll be cool.
land of the brave and the home of the brave.
Got it?
Son 1988 from Alan Sawicki. We're seeing it again here.
That's the end of today's race, guys. We're gonna head back to the roll bar tent and then head our way down to the airport and head back home to Calgary. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Alright guys, race is over and we are headed back to the rental car, and I got word that our car might have some sort of mess on it, kind of similar to the shaving cream we did this morning, so it'll be interesting. So we're gonna head down there and hope to God it's still clean, because we're going to the airport, so let's go find out. I think we're
Maybe you got the Impala instead. Well, ours blends in more than Jamie. Yeah. We have the local. So it should be harder for them to find our car.
It looks okay.
Yeah, it looks untouched.
Where's Jamie's car? Where is Jamie's car?
I have a California plate. Yeah, part of it.
Oh, that's a Sentra. Wow, we're smoking crack.
Apparently. We're down a lot farther.
Oh yeah, past the tent.
I was just thinking.
I had my hopes up. I had my hopes up, like, wait, mine looks clean. Where's Jamie's? Got stolen.
Yeah, Jamie's looks.
Ours looks okay.
From here.
From here.
Is that Jamie?
No, Jamie's is across from us.
Right, yeah. Here I am getting cars confused. I bet you if anything, you hit the wrong fucking cars.
It'd be funny, we just walk past a random car. Jamie's looks okay. Wait, he's got a thing on his antenna.
Oh. Ah, some touch.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's like part of their shaving cream.
Well, that might be me. Like, looking.
Can you show me a whole new world? I don't know anymore. Chasing daydreams around my head.